Transport and sectoral groups hold the second day of their nationwide transport strike on Friday, March 27, amid surging fuel prices caused by the Middle East war. Leading the two-day strike is the No to Oil Price Hike Coalition, which is composed of drivers of jeepneys, buses, UV Express, and Transport Network Vehicle Services. Friday's protest begins with a program at the Welcome Rotonda in Quezon City. Protesters then marched towards Mendiola in Manila to further demand action from the Marcos administration. Rallyists reiterate their calls for the government to abolish the oil deregulation law and remove the excise tax and value-added tax on petroleum products. The coalition also demands for the rollback of prices to 55 pesos per liter. It also calls for the implementation of a fare increase across all models of transport and an increase in the minimum wage. Piston President Modi Florada urges the government to focus on long-term solutions that will benefit all sectors. He also describes the country's situation as a crisis, citing the exorbitant prices of fuel.
Ang sa atin ay naramdam natin na mayroong malaking krisis dahil umabot tayo sa mahigit na 120 per liter. Pagpapakita yan na kulang ating supply dito sa ating bansa. At sa Baguio City ay 141 na ang diesel. Ganun din sa Bicol. At malaki ang posibilidad pa, batay din sa mga linalabas ng gobyerno, na mas tataas pa ito. Kapag umabot ng 200 per barrel ang presyo sa international market, hindi malayo na umabot ng 165 per liter. Ay sabi natin ay ano pang mangyayari sa mamamayan pag umabot dito ng ganito kaano. Kaya kailangan natin hindi papatsip-patsing solusyon, ang kailangan natin long-term na solusyon.
For their part, TNVS Coalition President Lisa Redulla expresses the support of TNVS drivers to the transport strike. She laments how some drivers hardly profit amid the oil price hikes.
Siyempre po, lahat naman kasi kami apektado rin po ng pagtaas ng presyo ng langis. Lahat po ng sektor ngayon nakikiisa na po para po baka once and for all marinig na po ng ating gobyerno. Marami na rin pong nabawas yung mga hindi na po kinakaya yung amortization ng mga sasakyan dahil sobra na po sa doble ang itinaas na po ng presyo ng langis pero yung kita naman nila hindi naman lumalaki.
The conflict in the Middle East has caused the prices of fuel to surge globally. Diesel prices in the Philippines have hit around 140 pesos per liter on the third straight week of price hikes.